And there's also another way that you can check to make sure only this fuse is bad on the fridge. You cannot hook a fuse like this because there's no way you can hook it while the control board is in fridge. But the easiest way, I've made this reset switch. This reset switch, the way it works, I'll put one connector from this. See, it comes from here. I got this from a stove and I can use it for testing the fuses. You will connect one side of this wire here, one side here, while the control board is installed already in the fridge. And then when you connect these together, so you're making a fuse, you're making a, it works almost like a fuse. And I usually cut this connector and that connector. There will be just a piece of wire. I will stick it to the back of the pen. These pens are really small, you can see. Okay, just over here I will stick the wire and then just make a U-turn from here, make one wire there, and then I will connect the fridge power back to see if it works. If the fuse is only bad, then the fridge will start working. So that's what I check it. I put these two here, and then if the fridge starts working, I already know the fuse is the problem. But if there is a problem with the relay or something else, then you still have to replace the whole control board. On next video I will show you guys how to test the relays, if this relay is bad or if any of these are bad, how to test that. But right now I'm working for the fuse, to replace the fuse, and you can see it. Okay. It's getting hot. I don't know how long does it take it get really hot. Should touch it somewhere. Yeah, it's kind of hot now. So here. Okay. I also have this solder cleaner. Okay, one pen is here, one is here. This is how you clean it. I'm looking for a nice soldering gun because this one is not really working good, but still it's gonna solve our problem. It's not really hot, I think. Okay. I hope it works. It's really hot right now. Or no, actually it's not. When I use the plastic, see, it burns the plastic. Yeah, it works just a little bit. Maybe it takes a little bit time. And I've seen most of the people, if they have a problem with their control board, and instead of fixing it because they don't know how to fix it, they'll just go and buy another new one, which is going to cost them a lot of money. Okay, nice. Okay, that's open. I'll open this one. Okay, I found this trick right now, and instead of using it on the side of the pen, if you just put the soldering gun on top of it and keep it a little bit pushed down, and then when it gets really hot, that will go down. The piece of wire will go down and then it will get open. Takes a long time. Okay. Okay, that's good. Oh. Okay. Oh. It's really hot. Super hot. Okay, I'll use another trick to open it somehow. I'll get a pen. Okay, looks like it fell down, or no, but it's out. Okay, I got one side out. Okay, it's out. The another one is not really out. The another side, oh, it's really hot. And I'll try to open that somehow. I cannot even touch it, so if I get a nose plier, maybe I can open it. It's a flat screwdriver. Okay, so here, this is how the fuses is stuck. So I can take this cap off. Okay, the fuse is all the way out. It was okay. Usually when the fuse is blown, you can see it at the middle, but this one was just blown right there at the back. You can see the black mark on it. Okay. I'll stop the video because it takes a long time to take these caps off, and then I'll play it back. I got these two caps off from the fuse, but if you look at it, the end of the fuse that has caps, it's holding it in here inside, and I think it's not gonna work. But I still have another wire. I'm gonna fix it with that. Otherwise, I was gonna put like this together. Okay, somehow like this, and then I will use one side here, and the another side will be there, but it's gonna be long. It's not gonna work really, but the another way I can do work on it is maybe cut a little piece of wire from here. Finally, I had to work on it with the wire somehow, and then put one piece of wire here, one on that side. Here, this should be ready. Gets out. And from this side, it's good. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Did you start now?
Yeah.
You came in now?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you just start early.
Mm-hmm.
Her nose blur is here. Should be fine. Here, this should be working. So let's check it. It's good. I still have to work on it a little bit on this side and that side, and the control board is fixed. Here.